And the rough early lead is taken by Ken Perry Special from the outside. It's Ken Perry Special in the lead, followed by Expecting Geitling in second. And Rain Shower running in third by the rail. Pride and Joy moving up on the inside. Trinity Moon and Caloocan's Pride. And heading for the back stretch, it's Ken Fair Special by 3.5 lengths, followed by Rain Shower in second, Pride and Joy running in third by the rail, and Expecting Geitling on the outside in fourth, Trinity Moon and Caloocan's Pride. Nearing the far turn, it is still Ken Perry Special by 2.5 lengths, followed by Pride and Joy by the rail, Rain Shower on the outside, and running in fourth is Trinity Moon, Expecting Geitling, Caloocan's Pride. Rounding the far turn, there is still Ken Perry Special maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead, followed by Rain Shower in second, and Trinity Moon now moving up on the outside, Pride and Joy, Expecting Geitling, and Caloocan's Pride. The last bend for home, it is still Ken Perry Special maintaining a 2.5 lengths lead, followed by Rain Shower in second, and Trinity Moon now moving up on the outside, Pride and Joy moving up on the inside, Expecting Geitling and Caloocan's Pride. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Ken Perry Special by 4 lengths, followed by Pride and Joy and Rain Shower, Expecting Geitling, Trinity Moon, and Caloocan's Pride. And finally, it's a cinch for Ken Perry Special, Pride and Joy, Rain Shower, Expecting Geitling, Trinity Moon, Caloocan's Pride.